In the rolling hills of Powys, where the Severn Valley whispers secrets of old, Castell Dolforwyn stood proud, its weathered stones etched with tales of a turbulent past. Built in 1273 by Llywelyn ap Gruffudd, the last true Prince of Wales, the castle was a defiant fist raised against English encroachment. Its walls, though modest, compared to the grand fortresses of Edward I, pulsed with the spirit of a people unyielding. One misty autumn eve in 1277, as the castle's garrison huddled by flickering fires, a young scout named Ira slipped through the postern gate. Her breath clouded in the chill air, her heart racing with news. An English force, led by Roger Mortimer, was marching to besiege Dolforwyn. Llywelyn, away rallying allies, had left only a skeleton crew to hold the fort. Ira's warning sparked a desperate plan. They worked through the night, hauling straw-stuffed dummies to the ramparts, their silhouettes mimicking a full garrison in the moonlight. Ira, nimble and fearless, led a handful of archers to the wooded slopes below, where they set traps, taut ropes to trip horses, and pits lined with sharpened stakes. At dawn, Mortimer's men crested the hill, their banners snapping in the wind. The sight of Dolforwyn's defenders gave them pause, but greed for conquest drove them forward. As they charged, Ira's arrows flew true, felling knights before they reached the traps. Horses screamed, men stumbled, and chaos reigned. From the walls, Dafydd's crew hurled stones and taunts, their voices echoing like a host twice their size. By dusk, Mortimer, bloodied and frustrated, withdrew, convinced Dolforwyn was a nut too tough to crack. Ira returned to cheers, her face smudged but triumphant. The castle held, for now. Years later, after Llywelyn's fall and the castle's capture in 1277, Dolforwyn crumbled into ruin, its stones reclaimed by ivy. Yet locals still speak of Ira's night, when a girl and a handful of brave souls made a small castle loom large in the eyes of kings. On quiet evenings when mist curls over the Severn, some swear they hear laughter from the ruins, as if Dolforwyn's spirit never surrendered.